If you are an average-looking guy between 13 to 21 years old looking to glow up before school starts, this will be the last video you need to watch. I am gonna give you a step-by-step 30-day plan to completely transform your looks and become unrecognizable before summer break is over. Now you will probably tell me, but Levin, it isn't possible to glow up in just 1 month. In this case, click off the video immediately and stay ugly forever. Or watch this video to the end, follow the step-by-step plan for the next 30 days, and glow up like Lucas and Marcus did in just 1 month. If you want to achieve the same results, don't click off early or skip forward because every step builds up on the step before, becoming increasingly more important with each one. With the 6th and last step being the secret method that allowed Marcus and Lucas to fast-track their results by 300%. Step 1. Posture and tongue posture. This is something you can change right now and look better immediately, but this will also have long-term positive effects on your jawline and facial forward growth. Many people think correct tongue posture or mewing just consists of pressing the tongue to the roof of the mouth, but this will actually cause facial asymmetry in most cases. So if you are doing this, stop right now. Instead, you need to create a vacuum in your mouth, which will lead to your tongue automatically getting suctioned up to the roof of your mouth. To do this, place the tip of the tongue behind your front teeth. Now press the rest of your tongue, especially the back, to the roof of your mouth. If you can't do this, try to make an NGG sound and stay in this position. Then step 3, press your teeth together slightly, close your lips, and lastly swallow your saliva repeatedly until you create a vacuum in your mouth. Now your tongue will be stuck in the correct mewing position, but mewing won't actually work if you don't also have good body posture. To speed up your mewing progress drastically and see results way faster, start practicing thumb pulling. This will only work if you are under 25 and your facial bones are still developing. To learn how to do thumb pulling, follow my instructions right now. First, try to fit both thumbs on your palate and follow the movements shown on the screen. Be cautious not to pull on your teeth and to pull evenly on every side. Pull forward behind your front teeth for forward growth of your maxillary bone and sideways above your molars for a wider, more masculine face. But this will only work if done in combination with mewing and correct body posture. For maximum results, do the exercise 8 times a day for 3 minutes. Step 2. Skin. In these 4 weeks, start off every day by first drinking 1 liter of water, doing 30 push-ups, and getting sunlight exposure for 30 minutes. After that, follow my science-based skincare routine to get rid of acne scars, redness, and dark circles. Start by applying the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser, then use the Paula's Choice 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliator, and lastly, to moisturize, use the Honey Halo Moisturizer from Pharmacy. On top of that, to hydrate your eye area and get rid of dark circles, use any kind of caffeine serum paired with 1 drop of 100% volufiline. Also, for the next 30 days, minimize sodium consumption because this can cause dark circles and a bloated face. Step 3. Debloating. This means getting rid of excess fluid retention in the face to achieve a more lean and sculpted appearance. You can do this by completely cutting out carbs, sodium, processed food, and switching to an animal-based keto diet. Also, stop drinking from straws because this will stop the growth of your buccinator muscles, which are the cause of puffy cheeks most of the time. To further reduce the buccinator muscles, switch your chewing from side to side rather than chewing 1 bite per side, because this switching sides also happens by use of the buccinator muscles. This will cause buccinator atrophy, which is a model's secret to hollow cheeks. Another secret models use for a lean face is to consume diuretics like coconut water or dandelion tea. These don't contain any carbs and increase excretion, which in turn reduces water weight in the whole body, and especially the face. If you follow these steps and are under 12% body fat, you will develop hollow cheeks in the next 30 days. Step 4. Fixing asymmetry. The fastest way to fix facial asymmetry is to shave your eyebrows symmetrically, but don't shave off too much or it will ruin your eyebrow density. The second, even more effective way to a perfect golden ratio is master massages. Let me explain. The average human chews over 3,000 times a day. This all happens through the masseter muscle. Since you can't chew perfectly symmetrically, this often leads to a lot of tightness in one side of the face. To even this out, just roll a tennis ball over your masseters for 30 minutes, and your face will immediately look noticeably better and more symmetrical. So if you do this every evening after your last meal, you will see great improvement after 30 days. Step 5. Hair. Stop using shampoo for the next 30 days and start washing your hair only with water to avoid dry hair and get much more natural, healthy hair. After fixing your hair health, you will need to find the right haircut. To do this, you will first need to find out your FWHR. If your FWHR falls below 1.7, consider growing out your hair into a hairstyle like a wavy flow or a mod if you have a bigger forehead. If your FWHR comes out over 1.7, try short hairstyles like a low fade. If you want to find out how to correctly measure your FWHR, do hard mewing for even faster mewing results. Learn exactly how to do Wolf's technique for increased bone density, and everything else you need to ascend from average looking to a Chad, let me introduce you to. Step 6. Ascend Academy. Launching today. Inside Ascend Academy, you will find the exact protocol that helped Marcus and Lucas glow up in just 1 month, helped Sahil and Cole completely transform their looks, and has made me personally go from ugly to Chad. Unlock over 150 in-depth videos, 40 plus ebooks, a community chat of like-minded guys, and your own personal face rating by joining Ascend Academy with the first link in the description. Available right now at a very discounted limited price of $16.95 from $39 a month only for the first 500 members. Join now, ascend to your maximum potential, and transform your life forever.